Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on the Binance app. First, you'll need to download the Binance application from your phone's app store. Once installed, either create a new account or simply log in if you already have one. Remember to complete your identity verification, often called KYC, as this is a crucial step for secure transactions and accessing all the app's functionalities. It ensures a safe trading environment for everyone. Next, let's get ready to make your purchase. On the Binance app's home screen, look for and tap the Buy with Cash or Buy Crypto button. This will lead you to the purchasing options. For an easy method, select credit/debit card as your payment choice. If this is your first time, you'll be prompted to securely add your card details, which usually takes just a minute or two. Now it's time to pick what you want to buy. First, choose your local fiat currency, for example, US dollars or British pounds from the available options. Then, select the cryptocurrency you'd like to purchase, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another digital asset. After that, simply input the exact amount of fiat currency you wish to spend. The app will automatically calculate the corresponding crypto amount for you. Finally, you're at the last step. A confirmation page will display all your transaction details. Take a moment to carefully review everything, ensuring the crypto and amount are correct. You'll have a short time limit, typically about 60 seconds, to confirm your order. After confirming, you might be redirected for a quick bank verification. Once complete, your purchased cryptocurrency will swiftly appear in your Binance Spot wallet, ready for you to manage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.